Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my dans and danettes, you see it? Alright, so I have information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I have at least one video that I'm going to present to you. Now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. The video shows a man who had been accused of assaulting someone and pulling a gun on someone. And in the video, you can hear a person yelling and shouting at the person who had been accused of assaulting and pulling a gun on someone. The person who you can hear yelling and shouting at the person who had been accused of assaulting and pulling a gun on someone also claimed that the person is a police officer. I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. One of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And in my point of view, the video shows a man doing certain things to de-escalate the argument between those two persons. Yes, in my point of view, the video shows a man doing certain things to prevent one person from attacking the other. Alright? In the video, you can also hear words that can be considered to be harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in the video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Certainly. Come out to your vehicle. Police are driving the car. The Jota vehicle. Just come out and vehicle come assault me a while ago. See him? Come out and chop me. I'm pulling gun. See him, I work up at airport. Police station. Yeah. Just gun chop me a while ago. Pulling gun for me. See them? And I tell them about a dead me for dead. I tell them about a dead me for dead. Tell them about a dead me for dead.
But the man I carry the man around.
Me not carry the other places. Yeah. Shoot me and tell me. You talk about dead me for dead. You talk about dead me for dead. But you're gonna show me. You can't get away with that. You can't get with that police too. I'm gonna put a gun for me. I'm never say a check now and tell me something for dead enough. So I'm never gonna tell her that. Me I got to Indicom with this. Me I got to Indicom with this. Me I got to Indicom with this boy. You run out towards Zika, you're supposed to drive that. Now what you said, you back a gun for me, and you can't chop me a while ago. Me I report you. Yeah, remember you assault me a while ago. So the car there, I pull up your stuff, or the sea guards, and he might drive a bus there. He might drive a Jota bus here. Backing gun for me and tell me say dead me for dead.
Wow. What a situation, eh? Yeah, my people, so you see the man who you can see in the video doing certain things to prevent one person from attacking the other person and to de-escalate that argument between those two persons. Yeah, I want to say big up to that person there. Because I wonder what would have happened if that person was not there. What would have been the case? How the whole situation would have ended if that person was not there, like some form of a peacemaker. Yeah, because the person does things to make sure so certain things don't happen. See? So big him up. Yes, I say, no. If the things that the person who you can hear talking in the background of the video said are true, then viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it not look good upon the person who had been accused of assaulting and pulling a gun on someone. It would look good, as I say, and you might be surprised to know that if that person have evidence and proof and witness as well, even witnesses, you're frightened to see how far certain things can go. But overall, I'm going to go up say that whole argument finish, or that whole whatsoever was going on there done in a peaceful way between those two persons. Because I don't know what happened after the video stop recording them people. See? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video. You know, the video has been talked about on social media. That's why I presented the video to you. And I'm going to move on to another topic, viewers and subscribers. And this is a sad one. You see it? Now, I got information about an incident that happened within the country that is known as Guyana, where it is said that a female committed suicide at a police station that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, according to more than one news articles that I read, I got the understanding that the incident happened on the 14th of March, the year 2022, and that the female is said to be in her 40s, and that she goes by the first name of Trudy. I am not sure how to pronounce her last name, but according to those news articles that I read, I got the understanding that her last name is spelled Dehaarte. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I am going to explain to you certain things about this whole situation where it is said that a female committed suicide at a police station within the country that is known as Guyana. But please bear in mind that I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand news articles that I read about the whole situation. See? Now, the things that I'm about to say might not be word for word as to how I read those news articles, but I'm going to give you the best understanding that I got from those news articles. Alright? Now, according to those news articles that I read, I got the understanding that those news articles said that the female was having marital problems, and that the problem between her and her husband reached to a point where her husband left their home and was staying at a premises. See? Now, I don't want to get into certain details when it comes down to that part of the situation. However, it is said that on the day when the female lost her life, the female confronted her husband and their son. And during the confrontation, the female used an object that was wrapped in a cloth to hit her husband's motor vehicle. Now, more than one of those news articles that I read said that the husband is a taxi operator or a taxi driver. See? And it is said that after the female hit the motor vehicle with the object that was wrapped or concealed in the cloth, the husband then drove the motor vehicle to a police station to make a report against his wife. And more than one of those news articles that I read said that the female, who goes by the name of Trudy, followed her husband to the police station. See? I got the understanding that those news articles said that sometime after the husband and Trudy arrived at the police station, Trudy took an object that was concealed and put it to her head. At least one of those news articles said that the object was in a plastic bag and that she put the object to her head. And that she also said, "This is what you want." Now, according to context of the news article that I'm looking at right about now, it would seem as if the female said those things to the husband or towards the husband. And this news article said that a clicking sound was heard and then the female fell to the ground. According to all of those news articles, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the female died at the scene of where the incident happened. See? And this news article that I'm looking at said that the police said that the weapon that she used to commit suicide was a stun gun, which was in her possession, and that the same stun gun is what she used during her job as an animal inspector. Now, viewers and subscribers, more than one news article said that the female is an animal inspector attached to the Guyana Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Another part of this news article, and not only this news article, but other news articles that I read, gave me the understanding that those news articles said that investigations had revealed that the female, who goes by the name of Trudy, was a patient at a psychiatric clinic that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. See, according to this news article, it is said that the female was a patient at the Georgetown Public Hospital Corporation, GPHC, and it is unclear how long she has been a patient there. So may I tell you, psychiatric clinic. It's sad. It really sad, my people. See? So I only hope that me give you a good understanding about that whole situation there. You see me? I say, I'm going to say this to each and every one. If at any point you feel depressed or you feel down and you don't feel right within yourself, talk to someone. Go on church. Go to even the police. Go to your neighbor. Talk to someone. Let people know how you feel. You understand? Because believe me, mental health is no joke. And not a joke thing. Alright? So, I just want to left with my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that the things that I told you in this video are somewhat informative. You can also let me know what you think about the video that I presented to you. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.